Discover crypto arbitrage and how savvy traders on Binance P2P use this skill to generate income. First, look at the coins in your portfolio. Check their prices on a different exchange. You'll notice a slightly different price on each exchange, either higher or lower. There's a variety of reasons for why this happens, including fees, trading volume, and liquidity. Exchanges with low fees and higher trading volume and liquidity, for example, will generally have lower prices. This price difference is where arbitrage comes into play. If you're a savvy trader, you could profit by buying the coin low on exchange A and then selling high on exchange B. Outside of crypto, this practice isn't new and has been used for decades in traditional markets like stocks and bonds. For example, a stock's price on the New York Stock Exchange may differ from the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Arbitrage sounds simple on the surface: buy low, sell high. However, you'll need to consider things like platform trading fees and hidden costs, both of which can quickly turn your potential gains into losses. If you're looking to get started, consider using Binance P2P, the official peer-to-peer marketplace of Binance. It's the go-to platform for many reasons. Each transaction comes with zero fees. There's a support for more than 300 payments method and 70 local currencies, and users can enjoy flexible trading with a vast roster of verified crypto merchants. Keep reading to discover how arbitrage traders use Binance P2P. 3 ways traders arbitrage on Binance P2P. Traditional exchanges may have plenty of arbitrage opportunities readily available. However, peer-to-peer marketplaces provide a flexible trading experience you won't be able to find elsewhere. On just a single marketplace like Binance P2P, for example, you'll find price differences in crypto, local fiat currencies, and global payment methods. Below, we've listed 3 popular arbitrage techniques used on Binance P2P. Number 1. Do it all on Binance P2P. This technique is simple but does require some perspective. If you look through Binance P2P, you'll find that crypto prices may differ depending on the offer's payment method or local currency. Now all you need to do is find a potentially profitable price spread. Buy from a user selling low, then sell to a different user buying high. To help with your search, you can easily filter your homepage by payment method or local currency. The best part, this whole process can be done on Binance P2P. You'll avoid the risks of transfer times and extra costs. Important note, those interested in this method may need payment methods in multiple currencies to execute this strategy. Number 2, use the Binance Exchange. For this technique, you'll be able to leverage 2 different markets within the Binance ecosystem. You can start by checking prices on our traditional exchange feature, also called the spot market. The process is similar to the first technique, but requires some extra steps. You can find a lower price token on the spot market, then sell it on Binance P2P at a higher price or vice versa. It sounds simple, but there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure you set a price limit for your spot market order. Crypto prices move fast, and market orders can result in price slippage. In other words, a less than desirable price. Second, check if your coin is supported on both platforms. You can see the full list of cryptocurrencies supported on Binance P2P by region here. Number 3, trade across different platforms. Venture outside of the Binance ecosystem and search for spreads between different P2P platforms or traditional crypto exchanges. Find a lower price on one platform, then sell higher on a different platform. It sounds simple, but there are a lot more factors to consider. Different exchanges mean varying fees. For better or worse, while Binance P2P charges 0 fees, it's likely not the case on other platforms. Plus, don't forget that transferring between exchanges can be slow and expensive. Even worse, the potential profit might be completely gone once you finish the transfer. Once your identity is verified, you'll have complete access to the Binance P2P marketplace. If this is your first time with arbitrage trading, remember, arbitrage trading is subject to the same risks associated with regular crypto trading. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Do extensive research and learn the market before you invest your money.